So we have taken a look at an endless number of buns over the past few months on this channel, from clean to messy to super messy. But this time around I took the messy bun and took it even further in the mess department and made it so messy that it is just not impossible to wear outside in the public. This is Choudhary, we are the Alpha Army. Glad to have you on board. So the way we usually make a messy bun is, first we gather all of our hair in one place. And then we convert it into an imaginary ponytail and grab it with one of our wrists. And then finally use the rubber band to tie the bun. And by the way, you can click on the top right corner if you don't know how to make this simple messy bun. But this is all we need to do to make one. And it looks really awesome. But for the sake of experimentation, watch me make the next one. So for this one, we'll gather up all of our hair in one place. But this time around, instead of grabbing all the hair in the form of a ponytail, we'll just let it stay between our fingers and slide the rubber band over it to give this mess the form of a bun. And I'll tell you, it won't be perfect every time or most of the time, and you may need to retry. But then again, what does a word like perfect means to a messy bun? And now it can look either really cool or too messy depending on your likings. And I don't know how one can pull off this thing with a full bun, but I haven't been able to do that. So if you somehow manage to make a full bun this way, do take your time to send a picture on the Discord server. But that's it for this one. I know it was a really short video, but just wanted to let you guys know about this little experiment of mine. And if you've watched this far and you liked it, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. And also, our Discord server has been really quiet for a few days and I really don't like that. But if you're new, the link is in the description. But with that being said, I'll see you around, Alpha.